Today, we will conduct a load test to challenge the strength and reliability of Gorilla lever hoists. We'll demonstrate how our hoists not only withstand the load, but also ensure safety in every operation, guaranteeing your load is moved with total confidence and precision. With Gorilla, you have a trusted partner in every operation. Join us to discover the difference of working with the alpha of the industry. Gorilla lever hoists are manufactured in compliance with international standards, ASME 30.21, EN 818-7, and EN 13157. Their strength and precision are achieved through the perfect combination of components, from the robust control lever and efficient gearbox to the precise brake system. Additionally, the lifting chain and the upper and lower hooks work in harmony to ensure safe and reliable performance in every lift. Following strict adherence to international standards, these are the steps we take to conduct a load test. 1. Full functionality check. We ensure the chain moves up and down smoothly. 2. Hook measurements. We carefully measure the upper and lower hooks to record their initial throat opening. 3. Test setup. The hoist is mounted on our specialized test bench. 4th, load application. We manually apply a load of 125% of the rated capacity, WLL, which in this case means an impressive weight of 1,875 kilograms for a 1.5-ton lever hoist. Load retention. The load is held for 5 minutes, allowing for a rigorous resistance test. 6th, post-test functionality check. The load is released and we repeat the functional test to confirm flawless operation. Finally, we conduct another round of hook measurements, ensuring there is no deformation and that they rotate freely as required by international standards. Test passed. After applying a load of 125% of the hoist's rated capacity, the results speak for themselves. No deformation was detected and the hoist continues to operate perfectly, just as it did at the start. This is the level of reliability you can expect from Gorilla lever hoists, engineered to withstand the harshest conditions and ensure maximum safety in every operation. If reliability, durability, and maximum safety are what you need for your lifting operations, Gorilla lever hoists are, without a doubt, your best choice.